In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Google Photos. First, you will want to open the Google Photos app on your mobile device or visit photos.google.com in your web browser. This is essential because it gives you access to all your backed up memories. Once you are on the app or website, you will see your photo library organized in albums and by date. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This makes navigating through your photos easier. It's the first step in retrieving those precious moments you want to save to your device. Next, sign into your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing your photos. If you are using the app, you might already be logged in. However, if you are on a browser, you will need to enter your credentials. Make sure to input the correct email and password associated with your Google account. Once signed in, your photos will load, making it easier for you to find what you need. Remember, this step ensures that your account is secure and that only you can access your personal photos. After signing in, you can start browsing through your photos and videos to find the one you want to download. Open the specific photo or video by tapping or clicking on it. You will see it displayed prominently on your screen. This is a simple yet important action because you need to select the right file to download. Take your time to find the exact photo or video you need. It's a good idea to double-check that this is the file you want to save before moving on. Now look for the More option, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. Click or tap on this icon to access additional options for your selected photo or video. This step is key because it opens up a menu of actions you can take with your media. Once you click on More, you will see various options that allow you to share, edit, or download your content. This menu is designed to give you flexibility with how you manage your photos and videos. From the More menu, select the Download option. This action is what initiates the download process. Once you tap or click on Download, the photo or video will begin to save to your device. You may see a brief loading animation, indicating that the file is being saved. This is an important step because it ensures that your selected media is now accessible offline. Keep in mind that this process might take a moment depending on your internet speed and the size of the file. Finally, the photo or video will be saved to your device. You can check your device's gallery or photo app to confirm the download was successful. This is a satisfying moment because you now have the media saved where you can easily access it anytime. Remember, if a photo or video is already stored on your device, the download option will not appear. Additionally, the files you download will be saved in the quality they were backed up to Google Photos, either original quality or storage saver. This ensures that you maintain the best possible version of your memories. By following these steps, you can easily download your favorite photos and videos from Google Photos. This process not only helps you save your memories, but also gives you the convenience of accessing them anytime, anywhere. Enjoy your downloaded content, knowing that preserving your memories is just a few clicks away.